Hi everyone and good morning. I am back with the spot prize giveaway game. As you can hear, I'm still feeling as rough as a badger's bottom, and yeah, as you know, that's putting it politely. But I have some news, some really exciting news. You've all been playing excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. You've all been playing all week, and so I have some really exciting news to tell you. So this is the big package of goodies that we have, saved up all week. And I do have a couple more things to add today, but before I get to that, let me tell you how you have all done. So this is all of you that has taken part. I'm going to hide them up for the moment. And as you can see, there's been a lot of you playing. It's all been a lot of fun. And I've totaled up everybody's scores. And the news is this. We have 2 of you that are actually at the top of the leaderboard, which means we have a penalty shootout now, which is really exciting. So let me tell you the answers to the questions that you've been answering. So, oh, you can't see that there, can you? Which is probably just a good thing. It doesn't matter, actually. That's all of you that have been taking part. So day 1 was what was my favourite flower, and it's actually gladioli. I absolutely love them. I think they're very majestic and gorgeous, beautiful flowers. Day 2 was what was my nickname as a child, and it was actually Rosie. I was adopted as a child and then fostered out, long story, but never mind. And my birth name is actually Rose-Marie. So there you go. You've learnt a little bit more about me. So my nickname was Rosie. Now the next question was, how many bridesmaids am I having? I am having 4. So that's my daughter, who's actually my maid of honour, but she's still a bridesmaid, my best friend Tracy, and my 2 granddaughters, Jessica and Francesca. They are flower girls, but this, to me, they're my bridesmaids as well. The next question was, where am I getting married in Greece? And it is Rhodes. The next one is, how old is this little monkey? He's actually 4. Yes, so we fooled you there because everyone thought he was younger than he is because he's such a naughty little twit, as everyone liked me calling him. And the next question, which was yesterday, which actually had everyone flummoxed, was, what am I qualified as? Or what is a qualification that I have? And I am actually a qualified hypnotherapist. Now, it probably threw you because, well, you're going to fall off, Charles. As you all know, I usually have a really bad cough, and, you can't be a hypnotherapist with a bad cough. But I used to be a hypnotherapist. I'm still qualified, but unfortunately, 5 years ago, my illness kind of reached an all-time peak. And I ended up in intensive care on life support, unassisted coma, because my immune system shut down so badly that I had pneumonia, septicemia, I had a blood clot on my lung, I had to have a blood transfusion, and I also went into anaphylactic shock. And ever since then, everything that goes around, I get it. So I had to give up being a hypnotherapist, and that's when I got into my crafts more. But I don't regret it in the way of getting into crafts, because actually, I believe in life that you can't have everything, and unfortunately my health is not good. But it is strange because by being ill, it actually enables me to see my daughter more, my grandchildren more, and do my crafting more, which I wish I wasn't ill. But I remember my oldest grandson once saying to me, he said, Nanny Nelly, he said, I'm so sorry that you are ill and you can't work full time. He said, I'm sorry, but I'm sorry in one way because you're ill, but I'm not sorry because if you worked full time, I wouldn't get to see you so much. And that just made my heart melt, you know, and I do believe that you don't get everything in life. And Charlie has just slobbered all over my table. I can't believe he just did that. So yes, so anyway, so I used to be a hypnotherapist, but now because of my getting ill, I don't. So I'm a mum, a grandma, and I spend time with you guys, so it's all worthwhile. Now, Charlie, you need to get off for a minute because we need to tell everyone the exciting news. So I have added up all of the scores, and we have 2 of you that are top of the leaderboard. And the 2 of you is Claire Sykes and Leda Pennock. So the both of you are through to the final, which means you do have to have a penalty shootout. So I'm going to ask you a question and we'll see who gets it right, who gets it wrong. If you both get it right, we go on again for another day. Let me just move this out of the way and just show you firstly what I have added to the goodies. So I've added 2 of these lovely craft bags for your journals, and 2 of these lovely little tags that I've made with one of the AliExpress dies, but I'll show you more of them in my next AliExpress haul, or one of my AliExpress hauls that's coming up. So the both of you, so Claire Sykes and Leda Pennock, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. It's only you 2 that will be answering this question, and I'll be back tomorrow to let you know whether you got it right or not. So it's just one or the other. So what colour car do I drive? Do I drive a red car or do I drive a silver car? So leave your answers below, and good luck to the both of you. Thank you everyone that's took part. It's been so much fun, and we'll be back tomorrow to find out if we have an outright winner or if we carry on adding more goodies to the stack. So from me and Charlie, I shall see you all later on. Take care. Bye bye.